Today, we are going to walk through the setup and installation of your 4G Enterprise Small Cell. The device provides small to large enterprises with in-building LTE coverage and service at locations where macro coverage is poor or cannot penetrate the surrounding building materials. This video tutorial will guide you through the step-by-step process to help get your service up and running in no time. Step number 1. Prepare your device. Step number 2. Find the best location for installation. Step number 3. Set up your device. Step number 4. Utilize your new service. Now, let's open the 4G Enterprise Small Cell packaging to ensure you have all the required equipment. In the box, you should find the Casa Systems 4G Enterprise Small Cell, a mounting bracket, which can be found attached to the back of the 4G Enterprise Small Cell upon unpacking, an indoor GPS antenna, which will provide network synchronization to the 4G Enterprise Small Cell device, an AC to DC power adapter, an Ethernet cable, drywall anchors and screws. Please note you will need a drill and a ladder depending on the installation location. Once you've ensured that you have all the necessary materials, let's find a location that will deliver the best coverage. It is recommended to install the 4G Enterprise Small Cell in an open layout area with little or no internal walls. It is important to note that the coverage area can vary depending on the number and size of obstructions and building material types in your installation location. For the purpose of this video, we will demonstrate the installation of the 4G Enterprise Small Cell utilizing the wall mounting option. For other installation options, please check your installation guide. First, determine the mounting location and verify that no wires, pipes, or other obstructions are directly behind or in the wall at the point of mounting. Mark the position where it will be installed and the positions where anchor bolts will be fixed using a pen or pencil using the bracket as a guide. Next, drill holes into the drywall and push in the supplied plastic drywall anchors. Once the plastic drywall anchors have been placed, align the wall mounting bracket with the anchors and attach using the supplied screws. After the wall mounting bracket has been placed, slide the 4G Enterprise Small Cell device into the wall bracket. Finally, fasten the retaining screw on both sides of your wall mounting bracket into the 4G Enterprise Small Cell device. Once your 4G Enterprise Small Cell is secured to the wall mounting bracket, it is time to connect your cables. Position the GPS antenna puck near a window so it provides a clear and open view of the sky. Connect the GPS antenna cable to the GPS port on the unit. The network extender requires continuous GPS location to operate. Ensure the supplied GPS antenna is properly installed near or on a window with a clear and open view of the sky. If the view is obstructed, the unit will not connect to the existing LTE network. Sync LED should be green. Plug in the power cable at a 45-degree angle and twist clockwise to secure the power cord in the lock position. Connect the Ethernet cable to the PoE WAN port on the unit and connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the port on the home router switch, or connect it to the Ethernet outlet that has service. The 4G Enterprise Small Cell requires an internet connection to operate and must be connected to an available port on a router or modem that has always-on internet connection with a recommended bandwidth greater than 50 megabits per second. A Power over Ethernet PoE option is also available. For more information, please check your installation guide. Please be aware that when your device starts up, the 4G Enterprise Small Cell will initiate a self-configuration process. During the initial activation, this procedure may last anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. Upon successful completion of the self-configuration, the power, RF, and sync LEDs should be solid green. The alarm LEDs should be off. Your 4G Enterprise Small Cell is now operational. Connect your wireless device to the network extender and enjoy your new service.